Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a fun indoor gardening project, growing your own avocado tree from a seed. We're going to take that giant seed you usually toss and turn it into a beautiful tree. It's way easier than you might think. So grab a ripe avocado, some toothpicks, a glass of water, and get ready to unleash your inner gardener. Let's get started. First things first, we need the avocado pit. Pick a ripe avocado, cut it in half and separate the halves. Carefully remove the pit without damaging it. Rinse the pit underwater to remove any avocado flesh. This pit is the foundation of our future avocado tree. Handle it with care and let's move on. And now that we've got our pit, it's time to get it ready for planting. The first step is to clean it up thoroughly. Run it under cool water to remove any remaining avocado flesh. Gently rub away any bits of avocado that are still clinging to the pit. The pit has a brown, papery skin. Remove any loose pieces. This skin can inhibit the growth of roots if left on. We want a clean surface for the roots to sprout. A clean pit ensures that the roots can grow without any obstacles. A little TLC goes a long way in the plant world. Taking the time to properly clean your pit can make a big difference in its growth. All right, the pit's clean and ready for the next step. Let's move on to planting it and watching it grow. Time to build our avocado suspension system. Insert 4 toothpicks into the pit around the middle. Fill a glass with water and suspend the pit over it, pointed end up. The toothpicks will keep the pit from fully submerging. This setup allows the pit to absorb the right amount of moisture. Pretty fancy, huh? Let's kickstart the germination process. Now comes the easy part. Growing an avocado plant from a pit is not only fun, but also incredibly rewarding. Place your avocado pit in a bright, warm spot, but out of direct sunlight. This ensures it gets enough light to start the sprouting process without getting scorched. Keep an eye on the water level and change it weekly. Fresh water is crucial for the pit to stay healthy and to prevent mold or bacteria from forming. After a few weeks, the pit's outer skin will wrinkle and fall away. This is a sign that the pit is preparing to sprout. A tiny root will emerge from the bottom and a sprout will shoot up from the top. This is the beginning of your avocado plant's journey. It's like a little avocado miracle happening right in your home. Watching it grow day by day is truly magical. With patience and care, you'll soon have a beautiful avocado plant to enjoy. Once your avocado pit has sprouted a stem about 6 to 8 inches tall, it's time to plant it. This is an exciting moment because it means your avocado is ready to transition from water to soil, where it will continue to grow and develop into a healthy tree. Make sure the stem is sturdy and the roots are well formed before proceeding to the next step. Choose a pot with drainage holes and fill it with potting mix. The drainage holes are crucial as they prevent water from accumulating at the bottom, which can cause root rot. A good potting mix will provide the necessary nutrients and support for your growing avocado plant. Fill the pot about 3/4 full with the soil mix. Remove the toothpicks and place the pit in the soil, with the top half sticking out. This ensures that the stem and leaves have room to grow above the soil line. Gently press the soil around the pit to secure it in place, but be careful not to damage the delicate roots. Pat down the soil around the base of the stem. This helps to stabilize the plant and ensures good contact between the roots and the soil. Make sure the soil is firm but not too compact, as the roots need space to breathe and grow. Give it a good watering, letting the excess water drain out. Watering is essential to help the plant settle into its new home and to provide the moisture it needs to thrive. Be sure to water thoroughly, but avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Your avocado tree is officially planted and ready to thrive. Place it in a sunny spot and watch it grow. With proper care, your avocado plant will continue to develop, and in a few years you might even be able to enjoy homegrown avocados. Happy planting! And there you have it. A simple way to grow your own avocado tree indoors. Patience is key, but the reward of watching your tree grow is worth it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!